Hey. What the fuck's up? What up? If you're a man, then you understand what it means to argue with a fucking female. It's one of the most frustrating piece of shit you can do in your life. If you're arguing with a female, understand this. You can't avoid the argument, and you will never win an argument with a female. You cannot and will never win. But in order to make your experience of arguing with a female less stressing, here is how to not argue with them. First thing, do not become a woman when you're arguing with a woman. You can't get out of trouble. Stop go over the talk people business, but you can't hear.
Shut up. Shut your mouth, man. You're gonna sound like
Me boom boom. Oh yeah, say me coming like y'all. Me coming like y'all. Lord God, sister, me coming like y'all. Whoa, boom boom out there.
And you have some men who do this. Don't be a motherfucking man. You would not go into a lion's den pretending to be a lion. Then we tear you up. Do not hit her. I repeat, do not hit the bitch.
So you can't tell me why I was like a clothes on the back of the chair. I see him say you like your shoes them round there so. I'm going in the bathroom, me see your towel on the floor. Your towel just dead so. You can't just put your back on the rack just like how you left the toilet seat up. It's simple, you know, Kevin. You just take your hand, put down the toilet. That's all you need to do. Just put down the toilet.
Sometimes in an argument, a female is really just testing you and asking to be out your sink out. If you feel like you're gonna hit her, pull out your penis, slap in your hand 2 times, and say,
Yeah, bend over and put on this for you.
do not start crying. As a man, you have to hold your ground. When you have settings, you have to say firm, man vice. But if you start crying, then you're gonna feel like, say, yo, you're like a bitch. And I know you're gonna say, but I need to show her that I'm in touch with my feminine side. Bullshit, you're a man. You don't have a feminine side. Unless you're gay. What the fuck? And if you start crying, she's gonna think you're a pussy. And you know what's gonna happen when she thinks you're a pussy? Somebody else is gonna get her pussy. Next up on the list, do not agree with anything she says. If she said black, you say white, purple, orange, grey, everything else. Never agree with her. If she says you see a circle, tell her you see a hexagon and a octagon and a pentagon. Do not agree. And I know you're gonna say, but Kevin, if I agree with her, then the argument will be finished. Are you a bitch? Wrong. She will never stop. She will never stop rambling on and on. Even when you shut up, she gonna just ramble. God damn it, bitch, shut the fuck up. Don't agree to nothing. Stand your ground. Hold out like it's her birthday and you don't want to come too quick, so you're holding out. Hold your point. All if you're wrong. And if you're good enough, you might be able to convince her, say where you see is right. Lie to the bitch. Next up, whole heap of man get catch with this, you know. Them argue with a female and sometimes them not exit the way how them fi exit the argument. And they make you look like an idiot. So don't fuck up your exit.
You don't stop using microwave for 30 seconds every time.
So why do you use the microwave for 30 seconds every what the fuck? So the guy use the microwave for 30 seconds? What? Nobody asked no call me no knocks no. An argument with a female is like a fire. If you don't find the right exit, you're gonna get burned. In other words, you get fucked. When you're leaving the room, you want to do it like how Hurricane Gilbert left Jamaica. Nothing is left behind. You want to storm out like a boss. Do the road. Do not forget nothing. You look like an idiot if you have to go back.
Every time I say alphabet, you talk L-M-N-O-P. You can't say L-M-N-O-P.
What the fuck? So I'm gonna say element of P. Everybody else say element of P. Element of P. You know what? Fuck this. We can't do this shit. Shit. My keys. Babes, you can pass my keys, please. And that is how to not argue with a female. If there's anything that I did not say, just put it in the comment box. Share the video, like the video. I need these shares, I need these likes. Why the fuck do you think I keep asking for them? Share the fucking video, man. You know what I'm saying. Share the goddamn video and shit.
Yes, man.